See what nonsense is in store for today.
Now the House has elected a new speaker. I can call and congratulate him. I'm ready to work with her and a Republican Congress to make progress on the American.
I don't know her name. What is it?
I didn't understand a one word you said.
Run up for the American people.
Run up for the American.
What did he say?
Great word.
Starting last week, if Big Pharma raises prices faster than inflation, they're going to face big. Starting last week, Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax credits.
Americans can get tax.
Well, which is it, young feller?
This show is some freaky shit.
The lawyers arranged for the Department of Justice to take possession of the document. So we're going to see all this.
You suck, you jackass.
You disgust me. How can you live with yourself?
I'm confident. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?